Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really easy ombre Valentine's Day nail stamp design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and using my glitter nail striper, I'm going to put at the end of my nails like an ombre-ish look to my nails. And I wanted to do this because I'm going to add gold into the nail stamp design. I wanted it to tie all together. Now, you can use nail polish, a glitter nail polish if you want to. I just thought this was really easy and simple. And if you have any glitter nail stripers, this is a perfect way to do an ombre look on your nails. Then using my Pueen Love Elements nail stamp design, I'm going to apply pink, red, and gold onto this heart design. I've never done this color combo together, but I have to say I really did love the finished look of it. It just gave it a nice, pretty look to the design. And I'm going to apply it onto my nails. You can use any nail stamp design that has a heart on it. You know, anything that is perfect for Valentine's Day. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a really easy and fun nail stamp design to recreate. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.